Now we will learn function. Okay, we have done for relation. Now we will learn for function. So give the heading function. Function. Okay, what do you understand by function? Can you please tell me?
Function.
Yes. Okay, let's see here. Suppose there are two sets. Okay, A and B are two non-empty set. Non-empty sets mean they are not empty, है ना? Right? If A and B are two non-empty sets, then we can say that कि A and B are not empty, or we can say that कि A and B has some elements, है ना? At least one, but they have some elements. Okay? So here the condition is कि a relation R from A to B. Suppose there is a relation from R, if there is a relation R from A to B, okay, is called function. The relation is called function if each and every element of set A has a unique image in set B. Okay, if they has a unique image in set B, then we can say that कि they holds a function. Okay, they will be a function. Okay, is it clear? So write, give the heading function and write कि if A and B are two non-empty set, if A and B are, if A and B are two non-empty sets. Okay, if A and B are two non-empty sets, then a relation R, then a relation R from A to B, means the set A to set B, okay, is called function, is called function. Okay, this will be called as function if every element of, if every element of which set? Tell me. Of set A. Yes, good, है ना? Of set A has what it will be? Has a unique image, है ना? Has a unique image in set B. In set B. Okay, is it clear? And it will be denoted by, it is denoted by F. Okay, like this, F, a function A to B. Okay, this will be called as function A to B. Is it clear? On any doubt? Now let's see here the example. Okay, let's see here the example. First note down it. Okay, first note down it, please. Now let's see the example. Okay, suppose there are two sets A and B. Okay, the set A and the set B. Okay, now suppose the set A has elements A, B, C, D, and the set B has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the image for A is 1, it's mean we can say that कि fa equal to 1. For B it's 2, we can say that FB is equal to 2. Okay. For C it's 3, function of C will be 3, and FD will be, function of D will be 4. Is it clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Now here we can say that, or tell me कि whether it will be a function or not. Whether it will be a function or not.
Yeah.
It will be a function.
Yeah.
Yes, it will be a function. Okay. As here it said that कि every element of set A. See here, every element of set A has a unique image in set B. They have a unique image in set B, right? All elements of set A has a unique image in set B, है ना? Right? So we can say that yes, this will be a function. Okay. Now we will find the domain, range and codomain for this function. Okay. So it is a function. First we will say that कि it is a function, है ना? It is a function. Okay. Right. So it is a function. Now domain will be, now domain, can you please tell me what will be the domain? Domain of f, domain of f equal to, they will be elements, these elements है ना, a b c d,
Yeah.
these will be the domain a b c and d. Okay. Now range, range of f will be, range of f will be these elements. Yes, है ना, 1 2 3 and 4. And what will be codomain? We have already learnt it in relation. Codomain will be, codomain will be set B. Codomain will be set B, है ना? Set B will be the codomain. Okay, is it clear or any doubt?
No doubt.
No. Let's again understand it. FA is 1.
Sir, can I come back in a minute? I go drink some water and come.
What?
I'll go drink some water and come.
Huh, sure. Sure. Okay, let's see here. So the function of A is 1, function for B is 2, function of C is 3, function of D is 4, है ना? So as you can see here कि every element of set A has a unique image in set B, right? As you can see here na, has a unique image in set B. So this will be a function. Okay. Now the domain of this function will be A, B, C and D, and the range will be 1 2 3 4. Okay. And codomain will be the set AB. Okay, whole set B. Now let's take some more example and you have to say me कि whether it is a function or not. Okay. Suppose there are two sets x and y. There are two sets x and y. The elements of x are L, M, N, and elements of y are P, Q, R. Okay. Here key, just wait a minute. Here L, the image for L is Q, the image for M is Q, and the image for N is also Q. Now tell me whether it will be a function or not. It will be a function or not?
It won't be, sir, because all the elements.
Yes. Why it will be not a function?
Because only like I remember, all the elements cannot be like in the same.
No, it can be. It can be like this, na? Just we have to focus on one point कि every element of set A, every elements of the first say has a unique image in set B. As you can see here, how many image for L?
Okay.
There is only one image for L, that is Q. There is only one image for M, that it is Q. That is, there is only one image for N, it is Q, right? है ना? So here all elements of set A or the first set has a unique image in set B or in the second C, है ना? In the set second set, right? So here we will say कि yes, it is a function. Okay, it is a function. Is it clear? है ना? And here FL will be Q, FM will be Q, and FN will be Q, right? Domain of F will be, domain for this function will be
Domain will be LMN.
LMN, or range will be
Q.
Q, only Q, okay, the only image. Codomain will be
Codomain will be set P.
set Y, here the set Y, है ना? Okay, now let's take one more example. There are two sets A and B, okay? Set A has an elements P, Q, R, okay? Suppose there the set P, Q, R, okay? And the set B has an elements 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now image for P is 1 and also 2. Image for Q is 3 and image for R is 4. Now tell me, it is a function or not? It will be a function or not?
It will.
No, it will be not a function, na? Every element of set A has a unique image in set B. Now let's see here. In set A, every element has a image in set B, right? The first condition is correct. Every element of set A has a image in B. But what type of image? The image will be unique image. Okay. As you can see, how many image for P here? There are two image for P, na? 1 and 2, okay? So that's why P has not a unique image, okay? Q and R has unique image, right? But P has not, and that's why it is not a function. What we will say? Ki it is not a function. Okay, now let's take one more example. Okay, X and Y are the two sets, non-empty sets, है ना? Non-empty sets means they are not empty, they have some elements. So what are the elements for X? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For Y, let it be A, B, C and D. Okay, now for image for 1 is A, for 2 is B, for 3 is C, and for 4 is D. Now tell me whether it is a function or not.
Sir, it's a function.
No, it will be not a function. Every element of set A has a unique image in set B. Here 5 has no any image, है ना? So it will be not a function, okay? It will be not a function. Here we will write कि it is not a function. Is it clear? है ना? Or any doubt? If 5 has the image for 5 will be D, then what it will be? It will be function or not? If it will be like this, image for 5 is D, then yes, then it will be a function, है ना? Because 4 has only one image, 5 has also one image, है ना? And all other are also has one image, right? So it will be a function, okay? But here in this condition, as 5 has no any image, so that's why it will be not a function. Okay, now note down all these examples. Hope your concepts become clear. Okay,
Okay.
let's see here. Now we have to learn types of function, है ना? We have done for function. Now we will learn types of function. Okay, so here give the heading types of function. Types of function. Okay, the first will be one function. Okay, the first one is one, or this one is also called as injective. Okay, or we can say that injective function. Injective function. Okay, one function or injective function. Okay,
Okay.
so it said that ki a function is defined to be one or injective function. Okay, if the image of distinct element of x under f are distinct. Okay, so that will be known as the one or injective function. Is it clear? So write it कि a function f x to y. Okay, a function f x to y is defined as one or इंजेक्टिव, है ना? इंजेक्टिव function, injective function, if the image of distinct element of x the set x, है ना? The set x, here x means the set x under f means under the function f are distinct. Okay, are distinct. Is it clear? Are distinct. Okay, if f x y is defined as one or injunctive function. Okay, if the image of distinct element of x under the function f are distinct, then that function will be known as injective or one function. So here we can say that that is for every x, है ना? For every x1 x2 belongs to x, means here x1 x2 are the elements of the set x. Here the function of x1 will be function of x2. Okay, when the function of x1 will be function of x2, it will be x1 equal to x2, then this type of function will be one or injective function. This type of function will be known as one or injective function. Is it clear? Okay na? Do you want to see an example for it? So let a question ki prove that this is a question. Okay, also prove that the function f, okay, द फंक्शन एफ आर टेंस टू आर रियल नंबर्स, है ना, द फंक्शन ऑफ द रियल नंबर्स टू रियल नंबर्स गिवन बाय fx equal to 2x, okay, fx will be 2x, okay, is 1 function. What we have to show here, it is 1 function, okay. It's mean, first of all try to understand here कि suppose there are the two sets, okay, set A and set B, they are the sets of the real numbers, okay. Do you know about the real numbers? Here I am taking the positive real numbers, okay. So let here 1 2 3 4 dot 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 till infinity, 1 2 3 4 dot 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 till infinity, okay. It will be, है ना. You can also take negative numbers also, okay. This is the pictorial representation, or the you can say that pictorial proving for this question, okay. Is it clear? So here it say that कि when we will put fx then the outcome will be 2x, है ना. If we will put x equal to 1, so f1 will be what? It will be 2 into 1, it will be 2. Means for 1 the function, for 1 the element 1 of the set A image will be 2 of the set B, okay. When x will be 2, then f2 will be 2 into 2, it will be 4, means for 2 it will be 4, okay, है ना. When f will be 3, it will be 2 into 3, it means 6, है ना, means it will be 6. So similarly we can do for all elements of the set A, है ना, and we will get a unique image in set B. What?
Sir, we'll come back in a minute.
हाँ, just wait a minute, let me complete it, है ना अक्षर. Just wait a minute. So here we can say that कि when we will put one by one each element of set A, we will get a unique image, right, है ना, which belongs to set A, right. So that's why this will be a 1 or injective function, right, है ना. This will be a 1 or injective function. So it is a pictorial explanation, okay. Here we will explain it like this. So here let's see how we will prove it, है ना, okay. Here we will write कि let x, है ना, x is element, okay, and here we will take x1 x2 which belongs to R. x1 and x2 are the say elements of the set R, okay. Is it clear? For f x1 equal to function of x2, right, है ना. x1 in the place of x, if we will put x1 then outcome will be 2x1, right. Similarly in the place of x, when we will put 2x2, then here x will be become 2x2, है ना. Now as you can see here 2 will be cancelled, right. So x1 will be x2, right, hence proved, है ना. See the definition and statement, see the definition or statement कि 1 onto are ejective. For x1 x2 belongs to set x, function of x1 and function of x2, if these two function will be equal then the elements will be also equal, है ना. If this condition will satisfy then we can say that कि yes the function is 1 or injective function. So as you can see here we have proved it, है ना. Is it clear? So now note down this one also, and here we will write कि therefore f is 1 function, 1 function, okay. Is it clear? 1 function means कि each element of the set A has a unique image and only one image, that will be also known as कि unique image, है ना, in set B, okay. So that type of relation will be known as the 1 function, okay. note down it. Now let's see the next type, that is many one function, है ना? many one function, okay, many one function, yes. So a function which is not one function, that will be known as many one function, okay. What we will say कि a function which is not, just tell me, a function which is not one है ना, which is not one is called many one function, okay. Is it clear? Or we can say that also. अच्छा, let's first see the example, okay. Suppose there is a set x and a set y, okay. The x has elements a b c, and here 1 2 3, okay. The image for a is 1, b is also 1, and for c it is 2, okay. Now as you can see here, first let's check it whether it is a function or not, है ना. So as here you can see, every element of the first set has a unique image in set B, right? In the second set, element A has only one image, that is 1, so it has unique image. Element B has also only one image, that is 1, so it has a unique image. Element C has only one image, so it is also has an unique image, है ना, okay. So here you can see कि every element of set A has a unique image in set B, right? But let's check here कि A and B have same image, है ना. Means here we can say that कि in as in one function we saw कि every element has its own image, है ना, separate image, right? 1 okay. In the name you can also understand it कि 1 image, है ना. A has 1, B has 2, C has 3, D has 4, like this, okay, है ना. So every element has 1 image, okay, like this. But here the two elements has same image, है ना. So here we can also say that कि it is also defined as 2 or more than 2 elements in A have same image in B, okay. This is the another definition, okay. This is the another definition कि it is also defined as what we can define, yes, tell me. 2 or more than 2, है ना. 2 or more than 2 elements, है ना, elements in set A, elements in set A has same image, है ना, has have same image in set B, right, है ना. Is that clear? Okay, or any doubt?
No doubt.
So as you can see here, A and B has the same image in the second set, है ना. So it will be known as the many one function, or we can also say that कि a function which is not one called many one, okay. Is that clear?
Okay.
है ना.
Yes, please.
So in name you can also, the meaning is already hidden in the name. See, one function, one है ना, means every element has one image, like this. Many one, है ना, more 2 or more than 2 elements has सेम इमेज, है ना, ओके. और द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट बी हैज प्री इमेज, ओके. द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट E will be a pre-image of more than two element in set A. Okay, you can also understand it like this. Okay now? So any doubt?
No, no.
No? Please note down it.